Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Hello Sumero. I am Ravish and I am back again with another video for you. Today the topic of the video is it's about fluency. One who is able to speak English but he is not fluent enough and he wants to have a good command over. So how he or she should work over it so that he or she is able to speak fluent English. So first let's understand what are the problems. One is not able to be fluent. So the main reason behind that one is not able to tolerate English for longer period. If the speaker speaks, he speaks one line, two lines, three lines, some lines just. He or she is not capable to cope up English for longer period, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Here it's all about mind and tongue combination. I mean, mind is not able to cope up or go with English for longer period. With it, tongue is also not comfortable. It requires Hindi. Hindi works like drugs here. If one is Hindi speaker, so Hindi, Punjabi speaker, so Punjabi. So whatever they speak, it works like a drugs. After some words or lines, they need it. How can we work over it? Today I am going to share with you all. Well, see, we have to work first to increase the length of our speaking so that we get to speak for longer time, for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, even more. So what can we do? I am going to share with you a tested and tried experience. How you can increase it by yourself. How you can speak for longer time by yourself with no help. First, I would suggest you take a topic. Just example, you have taken a topic that is mobile. Well, prepare about it. Please enlarge whether you can speak by yourself, but you prepare with the help of internet, any book, with the help of any material. Please make a lengthy presentation, as lengthy as you can manage. Just I believe you can make easily for 2, 3 or 4 minutes. Average I take around 3 minutes. So whatever you prepare, you speak over it. You speak over it. So you will speak for 3 minutes, then go for another topic. Just for example, social, geographical, whatever you are interested in. So versatile topics like you prepare about any century. 19th century. You make a presentation for 5 minutes. You work over it and speak it. So here you get non-stop 5 minutes speaking. There you go 3 minutes non-stop speaking. Go for another one. Topic number 3. You have chosen India. Again you prepare and deliver it. 4 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you can. Now you have total 3 topics. Still you have practiced 3 topics. One day you do what? All 3 topics. Still what you have performed over mobile, a century and India. All 3 topics you try to speak at a stretch, non-stop. Look, you have already spoken over them. So this time when you are going to perform, your fluency is going to be better, even better, because you have already performed them. You are performing second time over them. So when you speak 3 minutes here, 5 minutes here or 4 minutes here, you are going to speak 10 to 12 minutes. And that speaking of you is going to be non-stop, which is going to help you for having English on tongue, back-to-back words, non-stop English, and going to help you to gain your fluency. You can even stretch it further. I mean, a length of 5 topics, 6 topics, up to what you can manage. You can stretch it up to 30 minutes too. As lengthy as you can manage it, you would notice that your fluency would be up. Listen, just you have to target that you get to speak English for more time. Non-stop. There should be no Hindi word in between. So you would be successful, and even if you are some basic learner, I would suggest you don't take difficult topic, take easy topics first, like your own introduction, about your family, friends, your habits, means very small topics. Any past event, very small topics you can collect, you can speak over them. 8 minutes, 9 minutes, total. You can have a list of 10 topics, because for some speakers it's very difficult that over any particular topic they speak for 5 minutes. It gets difficult for them. So they can start with some initial topics. Means you cannot speak 5 minutes for a topic, but you can speak 5 minutes for 2 or 3 topics. So you can increase the number of your topics so that your fluency is better. So you have to be focused on your non-stop speaking and longer period speaking. If you focus over it, I am sure after some as per your targets, 30 days, 20 days, as you plan, you would find a successful, a very positive result, I assure you. Alright, well, with this I end this video. I wish you all the best.